So we rented a car for the week while we were in Aruba. Cost about $500 US for a Nissan Rogue. And we drove to a whole bunch of beaches. This one is Eagle Beach. It's a very touristy area. There's lots of hotels on this beach. It's normally really packed, but I guess we were there on an off week or something because it wasn't too bad. This is a tiki bar at Eagle Beach. And this is some of the scenery that you see while you're driving down the coast of Aruba. And then this beach here may be Druif Beach, which would be really great for snorkeling. As the water is really shallow, just out there to where it changes color, and then it's lots of corals and plants, sea life that the fish are gathered around, so you can see them swimming in the water just walking out here. And these are some houses on the way further down the coast. And it starts getting more arid and you start to see cactus, and then you come to Baby Beach, which is quite large, and there are a lot of people there. This is the road to Baby Beach. It takes a little while to get there from where we were staying in Nord, but it's well worth the drive. And now you're coming down to the beach. This is the view of the Caribbean Sea. See the big anchor, you know you're there. You're at Baby Beach, so water's just gorgeous. Those are little buses from the hotel that's up the hill that you can take, come down to the beach. And the beach itself is just awesome. Soft sand, warm water, really beautiful. Thanks everybody.